जो करना है आपको कीजिए। डोंट थिंक अबाउट द पीपल टू मच। वो आपके ना ही आपके काम में काम लाइक आपको ना यहाँ पे काम करने लगेंगे, वो ना ही आपको कुछ करने लगेंगे। बस उतना करेंगे कि वो आपकी टांग खींचेंगे, आपके ऊपर टॉन्ट करेंगे, कमेंट करेंगे, दैट्स इट। सो छोड़ दीजिए उनको, बस अपना काम कीजिए, दैट्स इट। यही मेरा मोटो है। और hello and welcome to day 20 to filming itself. My name is Ajay and I'm the host of this channel and your friend Ajay Kole. So I have one good news, and we like in our barren, like as a way we like husbandry of the animals. So my one buffalo has obsessed with a boy calf. So he's here and she's here. So I'm here to some like jaggery with the turmeric powder is here, and I feed them because of uh, she has a offset with the new baby, so that's why I'm feeding of them. And yeah, and yeah, this is my day 20. Or yeah, I've we will have to take care of her or his one, like he's a boy calf, like is a boduram is called in my local language, like a boda is called a bhasha. So yeah, it's a boy calf। और दिन की शुरुआत हो चुकी है कुछ इस तरह से, और 9 बजने वाले हैं, मुझे जाना है अभी खेत और अपने काम करने। एंड हाय, वेलकम बैक अगेन। एज past 5:09 a.m. at morning, and now I'm towards the another field, going to towards the another field, and yeah, everything is. But I had told you like my one buffalo obsessed with a boy calf, and so I was take care of her since morning, like not a since morning, but it's a since dawn of the morning, like 4 a.m. something. So we take care of it, and I had changed the sprinklers here yesterday, like this, that one, and there has uh, run, like not a run, but yeah, they work on, and now is the time to change the over there जो मैंने कल बदले थे वहाँ पर। like one thing is that the water has begun to run out day by day. Is a time to water will has run out day by day, so begin it. So normal thing, because now in this days like no any kind of rain. I had called mummy ji, and she said she will has been take around 5 to 10 minutes more, but I don't know when she will start the motor, and that's why I will have to wait here for I don't know how long I will have been waiting for here, because might be the also problem of electricity. If like the electricity will has gone, so it is the another problem. That's it, because after that I will go home to align up this kind of sprinklers to like specific to someone. Say like sorry, how to definitely he will has laugh at me because this kind of things I'm doing. I don't care, but person or anyone, those who are will watching me like kind of it, so it doesn't matter. So जो करना है आपको कीजिए। डोंट थिंक अबाउट द पीपल टू मच। वो आपके ना ही आपके काम में काम लाइक आपको ना यहाँ पे काम करने लगेंगे, वो ना ही आपको कुछ करने लगेंगे। बस उतना करेंगे कि वो आपकी टांग खींचेंगे, आपके ऊपर टॉन्ट करेंगे, कमेंट करेंगे, दैट्स इट। सो छोड़ दीजिए उनको, बस अपना काम कीजिए, दैट्स इट। यही मेरा मोटो है और मैं यही करता हूँ। जिसको जो सोचना है सोचे, जिसको जो करना है करे। क्योंकि सबकी लाइफ अपनी अपनी है, सबको अपनी फ्रीडम है अपनी लाइफ जीने की. सो दैट्स इट. I don't know how long I will have to wait for here, the electricity and the water. तो इतने टाइम में ये कर लूँगा, कम से कम लाइट आएगी जब तक मैं कम से कम ये कर लूँगा. तो मुझे when it will water come, so I know, so the sound will be come to this pipe. So I got it. I got to know about the water, like has came. Oh, water has came. So that's the main point. पापा जी ने यहाँ पे already he had spreaded the VD side and अब मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं पूरा चारा भी नहीं यूज कर सकता. लाइक I can't uproot it the things because it's already poisoned with the herbicide. बट यहाँ से कुछ दिख रहा है. इसमें एक इफ़ेक्ट ये है कि जो हरा दिख रहा है, मतलब जो हरा है इस टाइप से ग्रीन है, तो ये गुड है, मतलब अच्छा है, इसमें इफेक्ट नहीं है पॉइजन का. और जो इस टाइप से दिख रहा है, लाइक I will let you like this kind of it is little bit yellows kind of it. So it is not good for uprooting or for buffaloes or cows. So I will not uproot this kind of things, but I will uprooting kind of this. जो ये है मेरी मॉर्निंग, और इस तरह से जा रहा है मेरा दिन. वर्क मतलब खेत है तो खेत में तो काम ही रहेगा, आराम से ही ना रहेगा. काम ये भी हो रहा है, मतलब मैं कम से कम ये काम भी कर ही लूँगा साथ में. तो और प्रॉब्लम यही है कि मुझे एक चारा उचकाने में प्रॉब्लम यही रहेगी कि 1 बाय 1 खुद को मतलब खुद से करना है, तो ये और दिक्कत है. Lots of things we use this kind of minor mustard. So this is another thing. But we can't cultivate it because we cultivated only very less, like as a consume kind of it, or as a home purpose, like as a, whenever we make a pickle, mango pickle or any pickle, so that for that purpose, or that purpose also, like a for edible kind of it, for veggies or curry kind of it. Not too much cultivated because it's unnecessary to cultivate. And finally the water has came. I'm able to see it's time to, क्योंकि उतना ही पानी डालना है, दैन उसके बाद उसको वापस से फिक्स कर देना है. तो ये वीडियो हो चुका है मेरा 16 मिनट का, और इसमें से मुझे कितना काटना है कितना बचाना है ये भी पता चलेगा. तो अभी जो वहाँ से वो जो धनिया का काम था वो अभी भी छूटा ही हुआ है. उधर के जो फंटे फेंकने के थे वो भी बचे, और इस लेसन के तो टोटल ही बचे हैं. मतलब इस लेसन में बट I couldn't get a time of to this kind of chores. Was it too much in like this kind of it. और ये मुझे एक एक करके फेंकना था, बट मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है सबके लिए. तो पता नहीं कब क्या होगा मेरे से, क्योंकि काम ही नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से ज़्यादा. ओह नो, पानी दूसरे खेत में चला गया खुद के खेत में जाने से पहले. ये प्रॉब्लम और होगी, डोलना बंद दूसरे के खेत में चालू हो जाता है. तो ये है, ये चल रहा है पानी, और इतना पानी वेस्टेज हो गया, दूसरे खेत में चला गया. दिस इज़ अनदर प्रॉब्लम, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट दिस इज़ जब आपके पास पानी की क्वांटिटी कम हो, लाइक मात्रा, और देन आप इस तरह से वेस्टेज नहीं कर सकते वाटर किसी के पास. I have done this one, and now go to second one. I think it's a 9:30. I don't know what is the time. Yeah, it's a 10 minutes left to like 10 a.m. at morning, and now I will do this kind of things like uprooting the grass, and after that I will go to home. And why I seems like those of sprinklers, like those who stuck it in together, it is not good. So I have to go now. अगेन जो सोचा था वही प्रॉब्लम हो गई, वो आपस में ही अटक गए, ये जो दोनों नोजल्स दिख रहे हैं। The sprinklers are being rotated and I uprooted this kind of grass. Uh, as far as I concern about that on this grass, so I uprooted. I don't know what should I left and what should I uprooted. It doesn't matter क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट बहुत से एरिया में लाइक अ पॉइजन काइंड ऑफ दिख रहा था मुझे, like I was watching kind of things, so seeing kind of things, so it seems like a poisonous, so I uprooted only that one, like जितना मेरे in overhead my head overhead in my head, यहाँ से थोड़ी इंग्लिश की ऐसी तैसी हो गई, तो जितना मेरे सिर पे है इतना ज़्यादा मैंने उचका लिया एंड I am going towards the home and again I will take a shortcut, but now it's 11 a.m. at morning and now I'm bringing of them, like this is the main two and gun two towards the pasture area. It's a pasture like a जहाँ पे भैंस ढोर को मतलब बैलों को बांधते हैं ऐसा. Now for the timing the farm like the field is empty, not empty but it's a kind of abandoned, खाली हुआ है. So I will I tie up both of them over there. This is the Montu and here is the Guntu. And 1 hour lapse for electricity. Electricity will come after 12 p.m. and this is my day 20. It's going on to suit itself. Very good afternoon. It's 12:30 p.m. at afternoon and this is my 20 day to suit itself, like I'm filming itself. Problem is that the electricity hasn't come yet and I've been waiting for 12 p.m. something and now is like has a past hour, like past it and yeah, still I'm sitting here. I don't know when it will. It's 10 minutes left to 2 p.m. and electricity had came but again went. I don't know why. And I'm here to watering of this farm. This is another farm and these are my friends in the right now, like this, that one, so this one, and they are also irrigating the water here with along with me. So this is a very unfavorable moment, like while you working and the like this is the horn. I don't know what is the name in English, but in a Hindi it's called a bagula. So yeah, it's a, like most of like it's a no most of like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is here and like another one also like far away on a border of this farm. So yeah, it's a very prestigious moment in my 20 days, like in my shooting of my 20 days as a farmer, as a student, like it's a very good view along with me and it's a very far, it's a very near of me, like it's not a 1 meter of distance, it's very near. It's a very near. Okay. So it's like a quarter past 2 p.m. at afternoon and still I'm here sitting here and now the problem is that electricity hasn't come yet and but the solar panel is working, the solar panel motor is working. Whenever I see this one and that one also, they I don't know where they looks like that, but there is a this is a very prestigious moment, like it's a very good way. Also someone like coming here because the only thing, so it is the very good it is the very, I don't have words for to enhance like describe of this moment. Like right now I'm sitting, whenever I will stand up like I will go to in the water, they will fly. They will fly, like they will flew. Yeah, definitely they will. So now let's see, like they'll it's quarter, like it's a half past 5 p.m. at evening, and still I'm here in this field, and still I'm watering this wheat field, and this is the heron, again the bagula. So yeah, it was my day 20 to film itself, and yeah, my day was good, and yeah, I did it lots of things, and along with it, I would like to say goodbye for this day. I will meet you soon on tomorrow with my 21st day. Oh my god. I will go to in my 21 day. This is a very long journey, like that's a 21 days. Okay. So yeah, I will meet you on tomorrow. So good night and goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.